we have Switch Hotel at the New World. Supposedly this is one of the largest 5-star in Saigon. We got the executive room, something like that. I don't remember, something executive. So I just want to show you guys. So when you first walk in, you have a closet, pretty standard.
But it's nice.
It's really nice. It's really
nice
clean.
quality. Yeah.
And then look at this bed. Doesn't it look like clouds? Like you can just like, oh, ta-da! Mark is gonna love this. Look, he loves carpet.
Yeah. Oh, I love the carpet.
He loves carpet. I like hardwood. He likes carpet.
Yeah.
Oh,
Got a sofa. Really nice.
Velvety. Very nice. And you know what, guys? This is very rare for District 1. Look, we see green. Look at that. We see trees.
Yeah, real nice.
Nice view. Very nice view.
Yeah. In here, like if you look.
Very clean.
Like if you look up here, like all of it is still really nice. Like,
yeah. It's a very it's been renovated.
yeah, it's been kept up really good.
No, they renovated.
Is that what
I
happened?
don't think it's kept up. It's renovated.
Yeah, it's really nice
This
renovation.
is linen wallpaper. And then a nice mirror. Here's the bathroom, you know, standard. But I like how it's tub.
Look, still nice. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at the tile job.
Yeah.
So nice. You do have we do have a tub right here.
Yeah.
Pretty good. And then your shower. Pretty good.
Yeah. Nice. But what I really like about this hotel is the service.
Oh yeah, so far the service is absolutely amazing. Just as soon as you walk in, they're very nice to get you in as fast as you can. And we had to wait a little bit, so they gave us access to the VIP lounge, which I'm going to show you. Really nice. And then they have an upstairs pool, which I'm going to show you, and they also have tennis courts. We're going to be eating dinner at a couple of restaurants. They have 2 restaurants here. We're going to eat dinner down there. But what's also real nice here is breakfast is also included, and dinner is also included.
So we're going to have 2 dinner.
Yeah, so we're going to show you all that later.
Yeah.
So see you in a little bit. All right, welcome to dinner. So we're here on the 10th floor. And if you guys get the executive suite, or if you guys stay in the rooms that are higher than the 10th floor and up, you guys get access to the residence club. And you guys want access to this thing because they've got, you can eat your breakfast here, you can also have your dinners here. So let me show you what you get. So when you guys get access to this room, you've actually got unlimited sodas and drinks over there too. I'm not sure if there's alcohol or anything, but I think you might be able to order that. But all that stuff's free. So actually, you're right. Let me show you. Yep. So everything in this fridge you get access to is completely free. Beers, sodas, sparkling water, and then you also get some coffee if you like some coffee. That's also available too. So this place is actually open between 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. So you can actually gain access to all of that from here. This is the main dining room area. Real nice. Yeah, and then this is the patio. Let me show you the patio.
Yeah, they're fully booked, so
oh, it's crazy up here. So really nice terrace view. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's pretty dark. So welcome. This is the seafood free dinner, I guess they would say. So check this out. I'll show you. Ooh, we got shrimp, clams. Got some wine and champagne, real nice. We also got some fruit. Look at the fruit. Looks pretty good. Oh, we got some cheese. Got the bread. Oh, it's not bad. Not bad. Oh, what kind of meat? Brisket? Oh, brisket. Nice. Oh, this looks really good. Look at this, T. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Real nice. Oh man, they got really, really nice meats here, guys. Look at this. This looks really, really good. Salad. Oh yeah, real nice. It's really good. Ooh, squid balls are in there. Oh, look at that. Sticky rice. Egg rolls. Oh, we got seafood lasagna. That looks really good. Grilled chicken. Oh man. Crab. Soup. That's really good. Then we got, guys, they still got a dessert bar. Check this out. Look at this. Real nice. Cookies. Real good. Oh, and then lemon tarts. Oh, that's real nice. And then we also got things in the fridge. So look, we've got those things in the fridge too. Yeah, so that is the free seafood buffet, I would say. But it does come with your room if you want it. And then I'm gonna show you guys breakfast tomorrow. All right, T, what'd you think about the free dinner?
I can't believe it's free. It's actually really good. I mean,
Yeah.
this is one of those that I think I said somewhere else. I think it was maybe Yajang.
Yeah.
I would pay for this.
Yeah.
Even
Yeah.
if it's not free, I would pay for it.
Yeah, guys, seriously, it is really, really good. I can't believe, seriously, that it's free dinner. The quality is ridiculous.
Oh yeah, ridiculous.
The quality here is really, really good. Everything like had really, really good flavor. Like a lot of times when you go to a free buffet or something, like there's no flavor. Here they really spend money, they really spend time, and guys, they got unlimited like liquor, wine, alcohol, sodas,
like whiskey.
Yeah, like just for that it'd be worth it. But then you got the food on top. But definitely enjoyed that. But when you guys come, make sure you guys get the VIP floor or try to get an upgrade because it's worth the upgrade, guys.
So we weren't expecting it to be this spectacular. So we actually made reservation for a steak dinner tonight.
Yeah.
But we had to cancel it because
So full.
it's so good and we're so full.
I ate so much, man. I'm full.
So we postponed steak to tomorrow.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that
and
tomorrow.
later tomorrow.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. So I'll show you guys the steak dinner tomorrow.
Yeah.
But if dinner is this good,
I mean,
oh,
the
I
buffet is
can't
good.
wait for breakfast. I
Oh
can't wait for
yeah.
breakfast.
Can't wait for breakfast.
All right, see you guys tomorrow. Welcome to breakfast, and this breakfast is here on the first floor at the Parkway Cafe. Just come down, it's on the first floor, and it would be to the left of the lobby. But let me show you what you guys get. Looks like you got some dim sum over here. Yep. Oh, look at that. Real nice. Warm. Yep. So you would get your daily soup here, and today it looks like what kind of soup is today?
Yes.
What kind of soup is today?
Good. Vietnam soup. Vietnam soup.
Pho?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So it's pho today. Really, really nice. Oh, it looks like they have pancakes, but I haven't seen any pancakes yet. And they do have a waffle machine. Interesting. Is there waffles today?
Yeah.
Waffles and pancakes today?
No.
Oh, okay. This would be your, I guess this would be the sliced meat section. So here we got.
여기서 골라요.
Yep. Oh, okay. Oh man, we got chicken sausage. Look at that. That looks really, really good. And then the bacon looks actually crispy. This looks really good too. And then over here we've got some noodles. I'm gonna help Ethan grab some. Oh, this is the first time I see this. So you've got the roti there, and then you've also got the braised lentils for dip. So that's really interesting. Never seen that raw.
The New World Hotel is one of Saigon's best hotels in the city. We definitely recommend staying here, and if you have a $150 budget, most definitely stay here. And if you could only stay at one hotel in Saigon, I would still recommend staying here. As you can see in the video, the food options are plentiful with plenty of options to choose from. The food is most definitely amazing and the staff is so courteous and friendly. They also offer plenty of things besides the food. They have a newly renovated 24-hour gym, tennis court, and please don't forget the large outdoor pool. Thanks again for watching till the end. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, as well as give us a super thanks or buy us a coffee. It definitely helps us to continue to bring content to you guys. And we'll see you guys in the next one.